Hi there, good morning. It got very windy in the Florida Keys at 25 miles per hour. Decided to do a shallow spearfishing in the area sheltered from the strong wind. I'm new to spearfishing. The first 2 times I went out, made a lot of shots but did not get any fish. So I went practice in the pool multiple times and got good at it. So this is 10 feet deep and the current is started to pick up. I'm loading my band. The water is murky. This is the area I saw a lot of fishermen and also some spear fishermen. There's a lot of fish, small fish. I'm sure they're using a lot of bait here, but there's some good sized mangrove snapper. Kudos to those spear fishermen in YouTube. It's very difficult to shoot a fish, more so trying to video the actual shot. I decided to take a couple of shots with a grunt to make sure my aim is good, and to my surprise I was successful 2 out of 2 getting grunts. The second shot, my bolt was lodged in the rocks, but I was able to free it with no problem. That's one grunt, and there's another grunt in the bolt. And after that I regrouped and reloaded, and very patient waiting for the big fish. And fortunately I shot a good size 17.5 inches mangrove snapper. So 3 out of 3 I was successful catching a fish. After this I reloaded and planning to get one more fish because I saw a good size mangrove snapper. But while swimming I felt a strong thump in my right ankle. When I look back, it was a big nurse shark that swam away from me. I don't know whether I scared him or repelled by a shark band on my right ankle. But the key is try to bring the fish to the boat as soon as possible so as not to attract the shark. So I swam quickly to the boat. So very happy, successful spearfishing adventure. Hopefully to get bigger fish in the future. Bye.